Assalamualaikum. I'm Hiba Wakar and I'm studying MPhil in Applied Mathematics from Qaid Azam University. So today I'm going to discuss the topic which is differential equations. So basically in this lecture we are going to discuss some classification, verification of solution or classification by type, linearity or order. So these are the basic concepts which are going to discuss in today's lecture. So first you have to know that what is differential equations. Any equations which contain the derivative of one or more dependent variables with respect to one or more independent variables, that equation is called differential equation. Plus this is very simplest definition of differential equation. And the next is classification by type. So there are two types of differential equations: ordinary differential equations or partial differential equations. Basically, the ordinary differential equations are those equations which contain one or more unknown function with respect to the single independent variable. So basically, ऑर्डिनरी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस में हम क्या करते हैं, हमारे पास डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल्स जो होते हैं वो वन से ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं, बट इफ टॉक अबाउट द इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल्स सो वी हैव ओनली अ सिंगल इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल इन ऑर्डिनरी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस. बट वी टॉक अबाउट द पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव्स और पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस. तो बेसिकली इन पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस में हमारे पास जो इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल है वो एक से ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं और जो डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल है वो भी एक से ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं. जैसा कि आप इस स्लाइड में देख रहे हैं, द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज डी वाई बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स साइन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर कॉज ऑफ वाई. इन दिस इक्वेशन देयर इज ओनली वन इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल which is x, and in PDs partial u by partial x plus partial u by partial y plus u is equals to e raised to the power x minus y. So there is two independent variable which is x or y. Similarly, in other examples there is only one independent variable in ODs, but there is one more than one independent variable in PDs. Now next to the move to the next slide, which is classification by order. Basically, this is the strategy which is used to identify what is the order of that differential equation. So if we talk about this equation, d double derivative of x plus 5 du by dy by dx whole ka cube minus 4y. So here the highest derivative power is square, which is the first term, and the second one is actually this is the first order derivative, and we take the cube of that specific term. So basically the order of this the differential equation is 2. So this is the method, this is the strategy we use to find the classification or to find the order of that differential equation. So let's move to the next slide, which is classification by linearity. So basically हमने बताना है कि either the equation is linear differential equation or non-linear ordinary differential equation. So the first one is 1 minus y bracket y prime means dy by dx plus dy is equals to 2y is equals to exponential of x. So this is the non-linear first order differential equations because there is the y term in the bracket and coefficient जो है वो depend कर रहा है y पे और जो derivative है वो भी हमारे पास जो है वो y का लिया गया है. So when we combine these two terms, so this makes the non-linear first order differential equation. And similarly, in the second example, double derivative of y plus sine of y is equals to 0. This is the non-linear second order ordinary differential equation because we know that in linear the highest power is 1. And here is the in this equation the highest power is 2. So this is non-linear. Or similarly, the third example is also non-linear fourth order differential equations, ordinary differential equation because power is not 1. Move to the next slide, which is the solution of an OD. This is simple, but at the same time, this is very important topic of OD. Okay, how we can say that the specific term is a solution of that OD. So any function phi defined on an interval I and processing at these nth derivative that are continuous on interval, which one substitute in the nth ordered or differential equation means जो original हमारे पास differential equation है which is reduces the equation of to an identity. जब वो identity में reduce हो जाए तो that means that this is the solution of that OD. So basically this is the definition, or this is the you can say that तरीका है कि हम कैसे सोल्यूशन बता सकते हैं कि ये सोल्यूशन है, ये इस वाली ओडी इक्वेशन का है. एंड द लास्ट थिंग इज वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ एन सोल्यूशन. हमने एक इक्वेशन ले ली और हमने बता दिया कि y इज इक्वल टू 1/16 एक्स क्यूब रेज़ टू द पावर 14 जो है 4 जो है वो इसका सोल्यूशन है. अब हमने वेरीफाई करना है कि आइदर दिस इज द परफेक्ट सोल्यूशन ऑफ दैट ओडी और नॉट. So first we take the left hand side which is d over dx. हमने y की जगह इस सोल्यूशन को पुट कर दिया. बेसिकली हम ये वेरिफिकेशन कर रहे हैं, तो दैट्स वाई वी पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ y इन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, और फिर हमने उसका डेरिवेटिव किया तो आप हमें आंसर एक्स क्यूब ओवर 4 आ गया. एट द सेम टाइम then we take the right hand side and put the value of y in that equation. So this gives the x cube y 4. Basically, the left hand side and the right hand side is the same. So this is the perfect solution of that OD. Means y is equals to 1/16 x raised to the power 4 is the solution of this OD, which is derivative of y is equals to xy 1/2. So this is the lecture, and hope you understand this. Or Allah Hafiz.